Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video, we shall see the technical part which is being asked in Amazon TechOps Associate SMT Bangalore. So basically the technical part includes two sections, out of which it includes a Linux command and which includes 3 questions and the remaining 3 questions on SQL queries. So first we shall see the basic Linux commands which was asked. So I have created a sample quiz I will upload the link on the description, so you can take the quiz before attempting the actual test. So the questions may be same or different, but the Linux commands remain the same. So if you want to get a detailed Linux command, so I have been uploaded in my channel. So the Git for Beginners, I have created a playlist called Git for Beginners. In that I have uploaded all the Linux commands. So you can go for that videos before taking the quiz. So the quiz is very simple and which includes 6 questions. So and which includes a basic Linux commands. Once you click on the link which I will be sending in the description box, so click on the link and initially you will get a login page in which you need to register there with your name as well as email ID so that the score will be sent to your respective email ID. So once you register, you will be entered into this page which there will be questions on Linux. So these are the Linux questions which was asked, and the first question we shall see. The first question is, which option of the Linux command rm can be used to remove a directory with all its subdirectories? So you can see the Linux command rm is a command which is used to remove a directory, but here you need to remove a directory as well as its subdirectories. So we need to first apply the elimination rule. So first check which all options can be eliminated. So there are no options like -p, -b, -o is there, but they have told we need to remove a directory along with its subdirectories. So rm is a command which is used to remove. So along with that you need to use an option to remove with its subdirectories also. So you can see -r is the correct option for this question. So the detailed explanation of remove command, how to use it, I have discussed everything in detail in my videos, that is Git for Beginners. So do watch that. So the next question is like this: which of the following commands can be used to create a file? So they have given touch command, cat command and echo command. So touch is a command which is used to create an empty file, and cat is a command which is used to create a file, and then echo is a command which is used to display the result. So therefore they have asked which of the commands can be used to create a file. So they have not mentioned like empty file or a file anything. So they have similarly, so they have just asked which command is used to create a file. So you can see that we can use a touch command also to create a file, as well as cat command can also be used to create a file. So out of these the 2 options are correct, that is only 1 and 2 is the correct option for this question. So next we shall see the next question. So the next question is like this: which Linux command can be executed by a logged in user in order to change to the root user? So there are only 2 options that are used in Linux. One is su and ch. Chmod command is there in Linux, but there is no command like chroot, or there is no any root command and user. So the only option su is the correct option for this question. So the next thing is, which of the following Linux commands can be used to count the number of lines in a file? As we know that wc is a command which is used to count the words, and here we have a wc-l lc as well as count. So you can see there is no cl command in Linux. There is no lc command as well as count. So the only option is wc-l is the correct option for this. So now quickly we shall see the next question. So the usage of wc command, that is word count, how to execute it, each and everything I have uploaded in my Git for Beginners video, in which I have executed all the commands in the command prompt. So do watch that video. So the next thing is, which command in Linux is used to list all the files in the current directory including the hidden files? So you can see there is no option like ls-t, ls-i. These are not the options of these are not the commands of Linux. There is only the 2 option which is correct, like it can be -a option or it can be -l option. So ls-l is a command. ls is a command, basically it is used to list the files, and ls-l it lists all the files, but we need to list the files which includes hidden files also. So ls-a is the correct option, whereas a is nothing but you can append a file, and therefore you can see ls-a is the correct option, which will display all the files including the hidden files. So the last question of this technical part is, which Linux command creates an empty file if the file doesn't already exist? So you can see we have discussed that there are two commands which is used to create a file. One is a cat command and touch command. So read is just used to read a file, but there is no such Linux command, and cd is a command which is used to change the directory. So you can see cat is a command which just creates a file, but we need to use a command to create an empty file. So we have seen that touch is a command which is used to create an empty file. So therefore this is the answer for this question. So once you are done with the quiz, you can submit and you can view the answer, and you can also review the answers. So then this is the review of the answers, that is which option of Linux rm command which is used to remove a directory along with subdirectory. The answer is rm along with -r. So next thing is, which of the following commands can be used to create a file? You can use either touch command or cat command. Similarly, which command is executed by the logged in user to change the root user? su command is used to change the root of the user. Then the Linux command which is used to count the number of lines in a file is wc-l. Similarly, to list the files in the current directory as well as including hidden files, ls-a is the command. Then the last thing is the command which is used to create an empty file is touch command. So these are the questions which were asked based on the Linux commands. So for more Linux command, do watch my videos on Git for Beginners, so that if they ask different question, you can easily answer it. So once you are done, you can also download the PDF of this. So you can see the PDF you can download and keep it for your reference. So that's all about the technical part which was asked on the Linux commands. So the next part, that is SQL queries, I will be uploading in my next video. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.